Hello guys. Welcome to this lecture series of advanced reinforced concrete. I would better like to say it crash course. And so it's 20th January 2023, and I'm here with you presenting Advanced Reinforced Concrete Design Lecture Series. So, further ado, let's go ahead. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Nivesh. I'm a PhD student in Texas Tech University down in West Texas, US. And I'm a research assistant, and my research interest lies in the area of concrete, materials, pavement, CRCP, overlays, and I'm really focused with using FEM as well, which is my key um, field where I try to model things that's already there and try to see what's happening in simulation wise. And I'm really focused with sensor installation in concrete pavement, and I really focus into the area research around in Texas. And mostly my research work, which I'm currently doing, is affiliated to TexDot. And in FEM, that's very important. There's a lot of software and all this stuff, but I specialize in ANSYS, and I'm in the learning phase and learning curve. So there's something I need to learn a lot, and there's a lot of things which I know, and pretty much will try to navigate you all through my journey. So since this being an introduction lecture series, so I'll just introduce through the topics that I would like to cover in this project, in this lecture series, and I've divided the whole topics that's been covered in this lecture series into 11 total subsections, which starts from behavior of reinforced concrete beams, where we'll try to see what kind of behaviors the reinforced concrete beam portrays, and try to understand the basic theory of flexor, and we start from there. Then we'll move to slab systems, then we'll move to columns, then column slab connections, design of distributed regions, deflections, cracking, then to the design of torsion. Then eventually we'll look into analysis and design of the structural walls, and with new materials coming in and out, we'll spend some time in pre-stressed concrete structures. And lastly, and but not the least, fiber reinforced polymer, which is kind of hot topic these days in research field. We'll try to go through it and see what kind of mechanism or design concept it holds to kind of solve the problem that's associated with it. And the most important thing, since I'm studying here in US, and I would like to use a code from American Concrete Institute ACI, and there's two versions of it. One is ACI 318-19, and the second is ACI 318, which is revised -19. So these are the two codes which would be referring to back and forth, and we'll try to use what's already there. Said that, I would encourage people from other part of the world who actually are into metric system, kind of you know look into their course. And if you are really interested in ACI as an American way of doing designs, then I guess this would be the right course for you. Nevertheless, people from all around the world could see it and kind of understand how things are done here in ACI. I'll try my best to not, go beyond the time, or make it more complex. And your feedback and all would be very much appreciated as we go along. Uh, I have to mention this, the whole course building, or the crash course, which I'm trying to show up here is, and it's, the credit goes to Professor Sangwook Bae, who is the professor here in Texas Tech University. And I would like to acknowledge his teaching that has helped me to create this substantial amount of or the volume of lectures, and help you guys out. So the key objective here with this course would be to understand design concept, and the second would be discussion of new concrete material technology. And the most important thing is, I have seen lots of YouTube videos being too long, and they touch the main point rather they try to go around the curve. So I would try to limit this whole video into 10 minutes of short clips. So wherever you are, you just woke up, you're in the bed, you having a coffee in your morning table, you're going to you're commuting, you could just open a YouTube and get right into design prospect. And I would consider this course to be very much helpful with the professionals who are already in the field working and try to brush up their basics and try to see where they stand. Then probably just don't get confused with so many things happening around. Just come to this YouTube channel and just exactly get the videos which they want. I would try to make happen for them because I can understand how difficult it is. So, what do you need in this course? As I would pretty much, appreciate if you guys have a sheet of paper and pen and pencil. So, this course will be not based on more of slides or something. I would try to be more interactive with writing everything down so that you would follow stepwise on the on things which I've already laid out. So what happens is like once you copy what I'm doing, it'll create kind of connection with the words which you're writing. So that's I guess a pretty good way of learning at the beginning, and you could use those notes or the notes which I would upload in the the section below in the description section. You could totally use that. So with further ado, I think the most important thing you need to have here in this course is to intention to learn and practice and practice. So until and unless you don't practice this a lot, it's going to be something lost story. So you need to make it so much into your tips of your toe, I mean tips of your tongue, and you need to make it like really really work through the problems which I would lay around. So this was the first intro course, and I hope I'll meet you in second, our first course, first topic, which would be behavior of reinforced concrete beam, and we'll start with flexure theory of flexure, and we'll go ahead. So thank you so much for sticking by, and I hope I'll meet you soon. Thank you.